By the end of this video, you will know how to create a Kanban board in Notion. Open Notion and start by creating a new page where the board will live. This gives you a dedicated workspace for tracking tasks and organizing the flow of work. Once the new page is open, move to the options for adding content and click New. From the available choices, select the Board Database view. This creates the board layout that Notion uses for a Kanban-style setup, with columns that hold task cards. After the board appears, enter a name for it. Use a title that matches the project, team, or workflow you want to manage. Naming the board at the start helps keep your workspace clear, especially if you use several databases in Notion. Next, set up the status columns. A common structure is to do, in progress, and done. These columns represent the stages your tasks move through over time. If the default labels are already visible, rename them to match this structure. If you need additional columns later, you can adjust them, but for now, keep the board aligned with the workflow you want to track. With the columns in place, begin adding task cards. Under any column, click New to create a card. Each card represents a single task or item of work. Add the task name first so the board is readable at a glance. Then continue creating as many cards as you need across the different columns, depending on where each task currently stands. Once the cards are created, customize their properties. Open a card and add details such as assignee, priority, due date, tags, or status. These properties help you sort and review work without opening every card one by one. If you are assigning tasks, make sure the property type matches the information you want to store, so dates stay as dates and labels stay consistent across the board. As work moves forward, drag and drop cards between columns, move a task from to do to in progress when it has started, and then to done when it is complete. This keeps the board current and gives you a clear view of what is waiting, what is active, and what has been finished. The movement of cards is what makes the board reflect the real state of the work. To keep the system useful, return to the board regularly, add new tasks when they come up, update card details when priorities or deadlines change, and move completed tasks into the correct column. A Kanban board works best when it reflects the current workflow rather than an older snapshot. Your Kanban board in Notion is now created and organized with status columns, task cards, and updated workflow tracking.